German Shepherd agility training, building speed and agility. German Shepherds are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility. They are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world and are often used in various working roles such as police and military dogs, search and rescue dogs, and service animals. In addition to their remarkable abilities, German Shepherds excel in agility competitions. Their speed, agility, and quick thinking make them ideal candidates for training in this demanding sport. Agility training is not only a fun activity but also a great way to keep your German Shepherd physically and mentally stimulated. It helps build their confidence, improves their obedience, and strengthens the bond between the dog and its owner. In this article, we will discuss some of the key aspects of German Shepherd agility training, including building speed and agility. Before diving into agility training, it is essential to ensure that your German Shepherd has a solid foundation of basic obedience commands. These commands include sit, stay, down, come, and heel. Without a strong obedience foundation, it will be challenging to control your dog during agility exercises. Once your dog is proficient in these basic commands, you can start introducing agility-specific exercises. One of the most effective ways to build speed and agility in your German Shepherd is through regular sprint training. This can be done in an open field or a large, secure area. Start by running alongside your dog in a straight line for short distances. As your dog becomes more comfortable with this exercise, gradually increase the distance and intensity of the sprints. Consider using verbal cues or a whistle to signal the start and end of each sprint. Another important aspect of agility training is teaching your German Shepherd to navigate obstacles. This includes jumps, tunnels, A-frames, weave poles, and seesaws. Each obstacle requires a specific set of skills and techniques. Start with low jumps and gradually increase the height as your dog becomes more confident and proficient. Use treats or toys as rewards to motivate your dog during the training sessions. When introducing tunnels, begin with a short tunnel that has a straight path. Gradually increase the length and add curves to make it more challenging. A-frames and seesaws should be introduced slowly, ensuring that your dog feels secure and comfortable. Teach them to navigate the obstacles using positive reinforcement and reward-based training methods. Weave poles are particularly challenging for many dogs. To train your German Shepherd to weave, start with a few poles spaced far apart. As your dog becomes more proficient, gradually decrease the distance between the poles. Use treats or toys as rewards for successfully weaving through the poles. Consistency and patience are key when training your German Shepherd for agility. It is important to establish a regular training schedule and stick to it. Short, frequent training sessions are more effective than longer, sporadic ones. Keep the training sessions fun and engaging for your dog by incorporating games and rewards. To further enhance your German Shepherd's speed and agility, consider incorporating exercises that improve their overall fitness. This includes activities such as swimming, hiking, and playing fetch. These exercises help build strength, endurance, and coordination, which are crucial for success in agility competitions. Lastly, don't forget to create a positive and supportive training environment for your German Shepherd. Avoid using punishment or harsh training methods, as they can damage the trust and bond between you and your dog. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and rewards to motivate and encourage your dog throughout the training process. In conclusion, German Shepherd agility training is a fantastic way to keep your dog physically and mentally stimulated. Building speed and agility requires a solid foundation of basic obedience commands, regular sprint training, and a progressive introduction to various agility obstacles. Consistency, patience, and positive reinforcement are essential for achieving success in agility competitions.